Good morning friends. Last lecture we had to discuss the manufacturing of the ethyl alcohol from food grains. Okay, in this food grain we have to discuss the four method, that is the first is malting, second is mashing, third is fermentation, and fourth is distillation process. Okay, this four process we have to conversion of food grain into the ethyl alcohol. Okay, next is manufacturing of the ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon. Okay, manufacture of ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon. You have to very known about the hydrocarbon means what? That is the CH bond. CH bond means therefore it is a hydrocarbon. Therefore you have to manufacturing of the ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon. Okay, this is the hydrocarbon, that is the ethylene sulfate, then the ethylene hydrogen sulfate. Okay, so therefore this is all about the hydrocarbon, and you are to converted into the ethyl alcohol. Okay, therefore the manufacturing of ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon, it is divided into the two routes. Okay, it is divided into two routes. First is the liquid phase hydration and second is gas phase hydration. Okay, first is liquid phase hydration and second is gas phase hydration. So this is the two routes, and that two routes you have to manufacturing of the ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon. Okay, first route is about the liquid phase hydration. Therefore in this process, therefore the ethylene is absorbed in concentrated H2SO4. Okay, this ethylene, look at this structure, look at this compound, that is the ethylene. That ethylene, it is absorbed in concentrated H2SO4 to formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, to formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and that ethyl hydrogen sulfate you have to form by ethylene in presence of H2SO4 to formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Means that ethyl hydrogen sulfate you have to form by ethylene in presence of ethylene is absorbed in H2SO4 to formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and it is also known as ethyl sulfuric acid. Okay, that also named as ethyl sulfuric acids. Ethyl sulfuric acid. Okay, means that ethylene, it is absorbed in H2SO4 to formation of ethyl sulfuric acid, and ethyl sulfuric acid, it is also known as ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, and therefore in this liquid phase hydration, therefore this ethyl hydrogen sulfate you are to formation of diethyl sulfate. Okay, this ethyl hydrogen sulfate you are to formation of diethyl sulfate, and therefore you have to take the ethyl hydrogen sulfate, then you have to add the ethylene, you have to formation of diethyl sulfate. Means you have to take the ethyl hydrogen sulfate and you have to add them ethylene, and you have to produce the diethyl sulfate. Okay, that diethyl sulfate and the ethyl hydrogen sulfate you have to formation of the ethyl alcohol. Okay, therefore you have to take the first product, that is the ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, look at this ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and then in presence of hydrolysis you have to hydrolyze them. Okay, you have to hydrolyze them, and you have to formation of ethyl alcohol and the sulfuric acid. Okay, your first product is ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and that ethyl hydrogen sulfate you have to take them in presence of hydrolysis. You have to formation of ethyl alcohol, and the side product is sulfuric acid. Okay, therefore second product is about the diethyl sulfate. You have to take the diethyl sulfate in presence of 2 times of hydrolysis, and you have to formation of 2 times of ethyl alcohol plus H2SO4. Okay, so this is all about the liquid phase hydration. Okay, this is all about the liquid phase hydration. In this liquid phase hydration you have to firstly form the ethyl hydrogen sulfate and the diethyl sulfate, and then you have to hydrolyze them, these two products. These two products, that is the first product, you have to hydrolysis them, you have to formation of ethyl alcohol. Then you have to take this second product, that is the diethyl sulfate, and you have to take the diethyl sulfate in presence of 2 times of hydrolysis, you have to formation of 2 times of ethyl alcohol product is formed. Okay, so this is all about the liquid phase hydration, and this is the first route we have to manufacturing of ethyl alcohol from hydrocarbon. Okay, second phase second route is about the gas phase hydration. Second route is about the gas phase hydration. Okay, in this gas phase hydration, therefore you have to take the ethylene, you have to take the ethylene in presence of hydrolysis. Okay, you have to take the, therefore water adds to alkene in presence of proton donor. Okay, waters it act as a alkene in presence of proton donor, means you have to take the water and you have to add them in the ethylene in presence of proton. You have to formation of ethyl alcohol. You have to formation of ethyl alcohol, means that reaction, it is the gas phase hydration. It is says that you have to take the ethylene in presence, you have to take the ethylene, then you have to add the water into the ethylene in presence of H plus protonation, and then you have to formation of ethyl alcohol. Okay, so this is the gas phase hydration reaction. Then 2 point, it is important in this gas phase hydration, that is, this reaction is a exothermic and it is a favored by low temperature and high pressure. Okay, which reaction? Therefore this reaction, that is the ethylene in presence of, you have to add them with the water in presence of protonation, and you have to formation of ethylene. Okay, this reaction is a exothermic reaction, heat is released. Okay, therefore it is a heat is released, therefore it is a exothermic reaction, and that exothermic reaction, it is a favored by low temperature and high pressure. Okay, that is the exothermic reaction, and its temperature condition is about, its temperature is low and its pressure is about high, and therefore this reaction, your reaction is performed, because this is the exothermic reaction, and therefore this exothermic reaction, it is a favored by, okay, this reaction you are to favored by the low temperature and high pressure. Okay, low temperature and high pressure, you have to, this reaction you have to, exothermic reaction you have to perform them, and therefore this exothermic reaction condition is about the, you have to maintain the temperature at about low and your pressure is high, and therefore you have to perform the exothermic reaction. Okay, and therefore this exothermic reaction, it is a favored by low temperature and high pressure, you have to form the ethyl alcohol. Okay, second is the conversion also favored by high ratio of ethylene to water. Okay, second point, it is says that your conversion also favored by high ratio of ethylene to water. You are to taking the number of times of ethylene, number of times of the ethylene, you have to take the high ratio of ethylene, and it is converted to the water. Okay, so therefore this is the gas phase hydration, and therefore these two route you have to form the manufacture of ethyl alcohol. Okay, from the hydrocarbon, means that manufacture of ethyl alcohol from hydrocarbon divided two routes. First is a liquid phase hydration and second is gas phase hydration, and these two route you have to form the ethyl alcohol from the hydrocarbon. Okay, therefore this point is over. Next time we have to discuss the manufacture of ethyl alcohol from fruits. Thank you.